Topic: Basic political spectrum. The generic political spectrum indoctrinated in us by the media has communism on one end and Nazism, fascism, on the other end. Both ultimately are for big government, near dictatorship. In one case the government persuades the companies to enforce big government, while in the other case government uses force to enforce big government. The real basic political spectrum is as shown here. This deception has divided and conquered this country. Now is the time to recognize this and start reasoning it out for yourself. The real basic political spectrum is from 100% rule of a dictatorship, total GOP, to 0%, like that of anarchy, no GOP. What is in between, you ask? Everything. Dems and Establishment Grand Old Party are both to the left of the center point. The United States Constitution is center. As you can see, we are getting dangerously close to being a dictatorship. This country has been using force to redistribute wealth for generations. The scale of liberal left versus conservative right is what they use to divide and conquer us. As you can see in this picture, the so-called generic political spectrum, they have distorted reality. What this drawing shows as extremes is in fact the same point on the basic political spectrum shown above. You have been duped. The eventual outcome of extreme government structures. The dictatorship will spin like a top until it topples over. And it will topple over since one cannot support all. While the anarchy will move slow and eventually be overrun, since there are too few people at the top of it to defend it. Some sort of happy medium must be found.